Hey, I know your pain. I was feeling the same way not long ago. I'm here to help you. In the following minutes, I'll show you how I was able to transform my life. Watch this closely and thank me after that.
Hey folks, this is Scott, and I welcome you to our live login session so I can show you real results, real time, right in front of you. I'm going to make this quick and easy on this first one. We're going to be logging into one that I did a long time ago. This is the Equifax site, and I'm going to pull this up so you can kind of see everything right there. We're not just making stuff up here. All right, let me log in real fast. And I welcome you here. We are doing this because this industry is so crazy. If you've dealt with anybody, reputable, non-reputable. Here we are logging into the dashboard. You can see he's got a 787 Equifax right now. That's after we're done. We're going to go to his credit reports, and I'm going to take a look at some stuff here. We're going to go to view previous reports. We're going to go down to the July 23rd. That's not when I got it, but that's the report I was using. And we're going to pull all the way down so that we can see the damage that was on here. Here you see Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. The public records, he's got 3 across, negative accounts, and collections. All right. Now we're going to pull back up. That's across all 3. We're going to pull back up. We're going to go to the last report that he pulled, which was 12/24, just this last month. And we're going to pull all the way down and go to that same area. And here's the Equifax. You can see public records 0, negative accounts 0, and collections 0. The broker did confirm that the other 2 were done when they pulled the mortgage report, and so everybody was happy. All right, we're going to go to the next one. It was a real simple one. Just had, I believe, 1 item on it, but it's good to show those and how quickly sometimes they get done. Signing in. Same thing, I don't have it pulled all the way down so that it saves their identities, which we respect. We don't want people seeing everything on everybody. Here we go. We're going to go to view previous. We're on the credit report 12/27, but we're going to go to December 7th. Credit report as of 12/7. We're going to pull all the way down. Go to here. He had 1 public record he needed removed, or the broker did, and we're going to come all the way back up and show you the report on December 27th. Right there, December 27th. We're going to pull it all the way down. Public records gone. That's right, guys. We can do public records, tax liens, judgments. School, we don't like to do school loans. We can. We can do, pretty much anything that's on a report is probably there illegally. If they didn't follow the laws, we force them to follow laws, and we do it really fast. Here we go. We're going to go to the next one, 757 as of 12/10 after we were done. Go to the credit reports. We're going to go to view previous. We're going to go to November 27th. We're going to pull it down for you. And, that one was already done. We already had finished it. Okay, we're going to go to the July 31st. Just because they are that late doesn't mean it took us that long. A lot of times we get them secondhand. Yeah, here we go. Negative accounts, 111. Or they pulled it and they realized they need to get work done, and so they finally find us through word of mouth or however they got to us. And we're going to show you November 27th. Pull all the way down. Equifax, TransUnion, Experian, 0, 0, and 0. Folks, that's how we do it. We do hold them to the letter of the law, and we make sure that that they take the things off that we need to be taken off. You are responsible for all liabilities and taxes. We don't represent that you will not be, because you can still get a judgment against you. You can still have the IRS come after you or the state. I thank you for joining us, and I will see you on the next one.
So, I hope you liked our video and that you'll give us a call. Thank you very much.